Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position where white pawns are going forward in this direction and black pawns are going downward in this direction. And white is playing to win this. But white must find the only winning move, otherwise it would be just a draw. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here we do have so many options to play to, but one thing I should mention here is black can't move any of its piece, right? The king is just trapped and can't move. The bishop can't move, obviously. These pawns are stuck, meaning black has no moves in this position. That leads us with the idea of if we just move any random move like this, black wouldn't get a move that would result in a stalemate, a draw. So we don't want a draw, meaning somehow we have to find a way to give white a move on the next move. I mean black a move on the next move. Otherwise, black would be just stalemated. So with that idea, we just start with this move, right? So you will get the idea, and that is the first move. It doesn't matter where we move the pawn, black will just take it either in en passant or just capturing the pawn directly, but that doesn't matter. That is the first correct move. So now in this position we have a lot of moves, but we have to make this king get into the party and help these three pawns and eventually make a queen and win the game. So that is our idea. But the challenge, the greater challenge here in this puzzle is a stalemate. So doing this, we don't want a stalemate, or we shouldn't stalemate at black. So with that in mind, we have three options to play to. Four options, I mean. Three of them don't work, only one work. So if we just played to the f5 like f2 or f1, it doesn't matter, black will just push, and it looks like we have to stop this pawn from queening. And when we do, like playing king to g2, black would just move, make a queen, force us to capture the queen, and this is a draw, stalemate. That is what exactly blacks want. So this is not a good for us, and we don't play here, and obviously we don't get in front of the pawn directly. That would result an immediate stalemate draw. For that reason, we would play the only correct move, king to h1. So here black would just push this pawn, and that is the only move. And now with the same idea, we sacrifice the second pawn. Black would just take. Notice black would get a one and only move, and that would be just taking the pawn. We take the pawn, and here when black gives us a check, with the same idea, we don't play any move, we just move and leave a space for the pawn to push to be forward. And now we push our pawn, right? So this gives black a move to play to, which is taking our pawn, and now we take the pawn. So here black would just move. We can play king to f2, but that is not the correct move. I mean, previously it would be just a correct move, but now there is a different story. Black would just move the pawn, and this would be just a draw for us. Instead, what we are going to do in this position is push our pawn here. So this time even we can get a we can get a move for black, right? Like this. So black could get a move, and now this time we push, and only now we can take the pawn. So here now the bishop can move, right? After all of this pawn sacrifice, the bishop can move, and the bishop is free, meaning we don't have to worry about stalemate again. So in this position, the black has to move. Black will move the pawn. That is the best move to just make the bishop out. We get closer to this pawn to eventually take the pawn, right? Taking this pawn would make the process even easier, but black wouldn't want that, right? Wouldn't make us do that and play bishop to f5, preventing us from getting any closer to the pawn. So what do we do? Well, in this position we can just push the pawn on a5. So here what we are going to do is we are just creating a zugzwang where black has to move but has no a good move. Like I said, black has already created a barrier which doesn't good for our king, but now black bishop or pawn has to move, and black obviously can't skip a move. And for those of you wondering, black can't move this direction, otherwise black would just messed up everything, right? So for that reason black has to keep an eye on d7 square with the bishop. So black will move the bishop like this, and what we are going to do is approach the pawn. And now if you had a chance to see that black has no moves, right? So black may defend the pawn like this, defending its own pawn and still defending the d7 square, but we capture the pawn. And now black has to move. The bishop is the only piece that can move, and black must keep an eye on the defense of the d7 square. So that is bishop to d7 would be the best move for black. And we move, black move, we move, and now you see we are going to make our pawn pass. So in this position black must move, must make a move, and black may just move this. So in this position we don't take this, otherwise once again it's going to be a stalemate and a draw. Instead what we are going to do is push this pawn. So here black is now has would have a move, right? So black may move the bishop like this, and what we are going to do is push the pawn. So now this is going to be just checkmate, so black has to capture that. We capture, black would just get a move. We get like this, and when black moves we give a check, we give another check, and simply this is checkmate. So this is how we are going to win the game. So some of you might find all of this, and I want you to congratulate you guys for those of you who find all of the variation. So for recap purpose, first we have to give black a move, that way black can make a move and black wouldn't be stalemated. So we just move aside to make black move. That is the purpose of the moves, right? So up to this point the purpose of all moves is to make black move. So here after all of that sacrifice of the pawns, slowly and tactically we just arrived at this position where black will have so many moves with a bishop and a pawn. So now we can just get to the position like this, and black would just do its best to not lose this game. But we push, and in this position black is in zugzwang, meaning has to move the bishop or the pawn. So moving the bishop would be just better for black, and we get into the position and capture black's pawn. Black now in this position can also move the pawn, but we just make black bishop retreat. Like I said, black has to keep an eye on d7, so black must retreat this way. Otherwise, if black want to defend this pawn like this, it wouldn't work, because we can just push and this would be even worse for black. So black will defend this way. Either way, we are going to capture the black pawn. And now all we have to do is get around and promote our pawn. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you just be careful and cautious with the stalemate, you can just find and solve the solution of the puzzle. So that is it for today. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos like this every day, guys. Make sure to subscribe to not miss any of them. I will see you in the next video. Bye.